Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's see what has happened today in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's start with Bank Nifty first. So on Friday's video, I was speaking about Bank Nifty have pierced into June 4th election results day fall, and there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might go for the other side of the balance, 47,500 levels. This is where some demand has come as usual, because the overall global markets have opened negatively, prices gapped down, and then there was a strong up move. But you need to remember, in market profile, even though there is a morning up move in the first 1 hour, prices itself is staying inside below the previous day value area. So unless the prices gets accepted inside Friday's value area, it is no way to go any kind of longs. This up move, whatever has happened, it is to take out the early shorts whoever have entered. So most of the time what happens, looking at the global markets, the retail traders or the weak hands, they enter shorts very eagerly. So these weak hands, they don't have backup selling. So because they don't have the backup selling, the buyers whoever are buying around these levels, they push the prices, and these people, they unwind strongly. Once the weak hands are out of the market, prices again comes down in the initial direction. So what we should be looking for tomorrow is that, if you look at the closing itself is around 48,242 levels, and if you look at again, there was a failed auction at 48,700 levels. So whenever you see a failed auction and the other side of the IB is broken, that speaks about the initial buyers whoever have come in the first 1.5 hour, they are strongly unwinding. So in an ideal scenario, because the main trend as of now is downside, there should be 100% range extension. So we should be looking at anywhere between 47,800 levels as first target, and there is a good possibility you might even see 200% range extension towards 47,200 to 300 levels, because that is where 200% range extension comes. This is with Bank Nifty, guys. And coming to Nifty, I was speaking about continuous in my multiple videos. 23,320 is a good possibility. So if you look at the opening itself is around 23,400 levels. Immediately in the first 30 minutes itself, it made a low at 23,247. But to take out the weak shorts whoever have entered in the early, the prices started going up. But at the same time, let me also remind you, the low itself is not strong enough. So the buyers took control. As the prices went up, again what happens, higher prices attracts the sellers, and sellers joined the trend. And with a failed auction in C period, there was a clear breakout of IB low in around 1245, and then prices started extending. So there was a 100% range extension, and the low itself is at 23,011, which is the single print from 7th June. And there is one more single print here around 23,050 to 23,000 levels. So likely it will also get tested tomorrow itself, or maximum day after tomorrow, if at all tomorrow is going to be a sideway market. We have a value area high around 23,900 and mechanical reference around 23,840 levels, again around 6th June. And once the prices gets accepted inside 22,900 levels, it will go for straight away 22,840 and value area low at 22,765 levels. And there is a possibility it might even go for 22,700 levels. These are all the targets which I'll be looking on downside. Tomorrow I think it will go for the single print. So any rejection here, it could be a sideway market for a while, or else if there is going to be a strong selling, again you need to watch for 22,900 levels. So any acceptance here, straight away it will cover the whole value area all the way down to the week low. For suppose, let's say overall global markets turn positive strongly tonight, and you need to watch for today's value area at 23,240 to 250 levels. Acceptance here on 30 minutes, good possibility there could be a upside move towards 23,320 levels and 23,400 levels. So as of now, if you look at the last 2 hours itself, indicates that the initiative sellers are trying to push the prices strongly downside. So going into daily time frame, previous demand zone around 23,350 levels has been broken today. If you look at the close itself is below the previous demand zone. At the same time, it has not entered this 4th June results day fall, so you need to be very careful around this area, 22,800 levels. Any entering around these seller supply area, there is a possibility like bank nifty straight away nifty will also come down to 22,052, 22,000, 21,900 levels, which is where the multi-day balance low has been there. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. This is with Nifty guys. Thank you. Have a nice day guys.